Hey there, spiritual devils! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the awesome world of YouTube features. These tools can really help your channel grow. Get ready to learn some secrets. We'll unlock these features together. It's all about making your channel the best it can be. First up, let's talk about playlists. They're like collections of your videos. But here's the trick. Organize them strategically. Think of playlists as mini courses for your viewers. Instead of a general DIY projects playlist, try Build Your Dream Bookshelf in 5 easy steps. See the difference? It's all about attracting viewers and giving them what they want.
Now let's talk about the end screen. It's those last few seconds of your video. Don't waste them. Use end screens to link to other awesome videos on your channel. This is called daisy chaining. It keeps viewers engaged and coming back for more. Trust me, it works.
Next up, your channel's branding. Think of your brand as your channel's personality. Your watermark is super important. You know that little logo that pops up on your videos? Make it look like a subscribe button. It's a subtle way to encourage viewers to subscribe. Experiment with when it appears always visible or just after a minute.
Let's not forget about new viewers. First impressions matter. Choose a welcoming video to autoplay for them. This video should encourage them to subscribe and check out more of your content. You can even have a different video for returning subscribers. How cool is that?
Now let's talk about YouTube Studio. This is your control center, my friends. It's where you manage all the behind-the-scenes magic of your channel. Upload videos, track how well they're doing, and even find free music. Seriously, there's so much you can do in YouTube Studio. Spend some time exploring all its features.
But wait, there's more. Your channel's homepage is prime real estate. Don't just randomly upload videos. Organize them into sections and feature your awesome playlists. Make it easy for viewers to find what they're looking for. A well-organized channel is a happy channel.
Remember those descriptions below your videos. Use them. Unlike other platforms, YouTube lets you include links. This is huge. Drive traffic to your website, blog, or even affiliate products. Don't miss out on this powerful feature. Another cool tool, cards. These are little pop-ups that appear during your videos. Use them to promote your best performing video, the one that gets the most subscribers. Cards are like little reminders for viewers to subscribe and become part of your community.
Last but not least, remember that quality beats quantity every time. Focus on creating amazing content that your viewers will love. Engage with your comments, respond to messages, and show your viewers that you care. Thank you for listening, spiritual devils. Please be sure to subscribe and like the video as well. Until next time, peace, love, and all that old school stuff.